Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss what's meant by the order of a differential equation as well as the degree of a differential equation. If you are new to this expert tutor channel, please consider subscribing. Also, we have done many videos regarding mathematics. If you like to watch them, I have given the link in the description so you can always watch that. What's meant by the order of a differential equation? It's determined by the highest order derivative in it. So when we are seeing a question or like this one equation, we need to see what are the independent variables and the dependent variables in this equation. As you can see over here, the x would be independent variable and y would be dependent variable. So from that we can directly tell, we can see the derivative, find the derivative relative to x. So here we have already done there, we can see over here there's a first derivative of y. So from that we can directly tell the order of this equation is 1, because the definition for the order of a differential equation is determined by the highest order derivative in it. So when you are seeing this equation, you can directly tell the highest order derivative. Here the y is having no derivative, so no problem, and here it's going to have first derivative, and you can check whether they are having any other derivatives in y. Actually there are no, so you can directly tell the order of this equation would be 1. So the next part we are going to discuss about the degree of a differential equation. The degree of the differential equation is determined by the exponent of the highest derivative in it. So we have already found the highest derivative in this equation, which is dy over dx, the first derivative of x. We need to find the exponent of this derivative, of this highest derivative. Actually you can see that the exponent would be 2 for this highest derivative. In this equation the highest derivative is first derivative of x, which is dy by dx, and it's having an exponent of 2 squared. So you can directly tell the degree would be 2. So this is simple, very simple. You can easily get it out for this second part. Please pause the video and try it in your own. What is the degree and order of these two equations? Hopefully you have already tried that. Here this is a little bit different, simple than this one, dy by du over dx. We haven't written like that. We are having w over wx, which simply means there are many dependent variables. However, we are going to differentiate only one dependent variable, so that we are using this simple w over w. So here you can directly tell, when you are considering about this, what's the highest derivative of this equation. Actually x would be the independent variable. We are going to differentiate the dependent variable, which is u, relative to x, or relative to that independent variable, so that we can directly tell the w over wx. We need to see whether there are any derivatives of that u, which is dependent variable. After that we need to find what is the highest derivative of that. So actually you can figure it out. Here there is no derivative over here, u squared. Here you can actually find that w over wx. Likewise there are w squared u over wx squared, which simply shows we have differentiated that u, that dependent variable with the x relative to x, 2 times w squared u over wx squared, so that the order would be, the highest derivative would be second. Here second derivative of u. In this part we are having only one, first derivative of x, first derivative of y, dy by dx. Here we are having second derivative, so the order would be 2. When you are considering about the exponent of this highest derivative, actually you can write it like this. We knew that it's going to be 1. The highest exponent, the exponent of this highest derivative would be 1. So the degree would be 1. Remember that sometimes you might take it as 0. The exponent, there's an exponent which is 1. So you need to use that 1 as the degree. Likewise, try to figure it out for this part. you can directly find that the x would be the independent variable and the y would be the dependent variable. So here they have differentiated over here. This simply shows this is the third derivative of y relative to x. So this is third derivative. You can directly find by the lines in this part. So there are 3 lines, so you can directly tell this is the third derivative, which is d cube y over dx cube. So here we can directly write the order. We have the highest order derivative. In this question there is only one derivative, which is third order. So you can directly write the order over here, order of 3. And when you are considering about the exponent, it's going to have only 1. So you can directly write the degree as 1. Remember, you can't write this exponent 3 because we need to check whether this highest derivative is having the exponent over him. So after that only we can directly write it like 1. So in this video we have discussed what's meant by the order and degree of the differential equation. Also there are some complex examples over here, so I'm going to discuss in the next video. Hopefully we can meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.